This is chapter 4, more on MS Access. Let us know, students, what is MS Access. It is an information management tool that helps you to store information for reference, reporting and analysis. It helps you analyze large amounts of information and manage related data more efficiently than Microsoft Excel or other spreadsheet applications. Next is creating report. How to create a report. Let's know what is report in MS Excel. A report is an object in Microsoft Excel that is used to display and print the data in an organized manner, and the report automatically includes all the fields of the table. Next, how to create a simple report using report tool. We are given steps to create simple report using report tool. First, you have to open Microsoft Access database. Then click on the table or query on which you want to base the report. Then click on the create tab. Then click on the report option. Then the report will be built and displayed in the layout view. Now, how to create a blank report. Some steps given here to create a blank report. If you want to put only a few fields in your report, then you can create a report using blank report tool. The step is click on the create tab, then click on blank report. It will be displayed in the layout view. Then click on the plus sign visible next to the table name. Then you can drag each field onto the report one by one. Then you can also hold down the control key and select many fields and then drag them onto the report. If you want to create a report by using report wizard, you have to follow these steps. First, you have to click on the create tab, then click on report wizard. The report wizard dialog box will open. Then simply click on the down arrow of the tables or questions. Then click on the table or query. Then under the heading available fields, double click on each field that you want to include in the report. Now after selected fields, you have to just click on next. Then you can group your data. Then click on next. Then sort the records. Then next step is click to select the field on which you want to use sort. Then repeat steps 7 and 8 for the records and click on next. Then click on the radio button of the layout option to select the layout of the report. Then set page orientation. Then click on next. Enter a name for the report, then click on finish. The report will be created and displayed. Then how to saving a report. Steps are click on the file tab, then click on then just after that you can see backstage view. Then click on save. The save as dialog box will appear. Then enter the report name, whatever you want to give its name. Then click on OK. Then the report will be saved. Click on the close button. The report will be closed. Next, see here about query. What is query? In MS Access or Microsoft Access, we use query for questions. A query is a request for data results and for action on data. You can use a query to answer a simple question, to perform calculations, to combine data from different tables, or even to add, change or delete table data. These are the types of query. It has 3 main types. First is simple query, then unmatched query, then duplicate query. Simple query is used to ask some particular questions about data in the database. Then unmatched query is used to find the records from one table that doesn't have corresponding values in the second table. Duplicate query is used to display the records that have same values for one or more of the specified fields. To create a query in MS Access, you have to follow some steps. First, you have to open Microsoft database, which you had already created previously. Then click on the create tab. Then click on query design in queries group. Then show the table dialog box will appear. Then click on table. Then click on add. Then repeat that step 4 and 5 to add each table for the query. Then click on close. Then double click on a field which you want to include in your query. Then repeat step 8 to include each and every field which you want to include in your query. Then how to run a query. Steps are click on the run button. Then the answer of the query will appear in the datasheet view. Then using criteria in query, what about criteria? Criteria is just a condition that used to identify the records from the database that you want to find. And its steps are open the query in design view, then click on the create, click on the criteria field, then type the data that you want to view, then click on run button. Then heading is using compound criteria. There are times when more than one criterion are available to satisfy the data we are searching. This type of criterion is called compound criterion. Some comparison operators are like greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to, not equal to. And how to delete a field in query. If we do not require a field in the query, then we can delete it simply. And the steps are take the mouse pointer on the field which you want to delete, then click to select the field, then click on delete column. Then that field will be deleted. Then how to save a query. If you want to share your results of the query, then you must have to save this. Then steps are like click on the file tab, the backstage view will appear, then click on save, then enter name for the query, then click on OK, then click on the close button to close the query. The database window will appear.